Hi, I'm Grace Cantwell.
And I'm Sergeant Tony Reed.
And we're co-founders of
Drone Cadets. We've taught thousands of people how to be safe, responsible drone pilots using our unique, engaging programs.
So join us today and get ready to launch.
Drones going up, drones going up, drones going up. We are about to do our function check mission. This is a standard mission we do out in the field as a safety check before we start our real mission. So let's do it now.
Okay, we're going to break up into teams of 2. Each team will have a PIC and a VO. I'll count you off and give you your team names. You 2, you are Alpha Team. You 2, you are the Bravo Team. You guys here, Charlie. And you 2 down there, you are the Delta Team.
Alpha and Bravo come with me out in the hall. And Charlie and Delta team stay here with Miss Grace. Now we always place our drone on the helipad facing away from us before we take off. Point to the camera. Good. That's the front of your drone. Now put it down and stand behind it. Before we launch, we always yell 3 times loudly in a loud, thunderous voice, drone going up, drone going up, drone going up. This is all about safety. Yell loudly so everyone can hear you.
Drone going up! Drone going up! Drone going up!
And before we land, we always yell, drone landing, drone landing, drone landing. Let's hear it.
Drone landing! Drone landing! Drone landing! Why?
Well, what if you're flying in a park and someone's out walking their dog? Do you think they're paying attention to what's happening in the sky high above them? Maybe, but maybe not. Calling out drone landing 3 times alerts passerbys of a potential threat.
Okay, who's the PIC?
Me!
Okay, you're going to fly first. So that means you are the VO. Tell your PIC what obstacles you see.
I see the walls, the lockers, the lights, and the ceiling.
Good. Now what do we say before taking off?
Drone going up! Drone going up! Drone going up!
Now you wait for the tower to give you clearance. Clear to take off. Okay? Take your left thumb and throttle up. Throttle down. Good. Your left and right. Good. Now with your right thumb, I want you to pitch forward. Not so fast. Let go. Pick up your thumb. That's okay. This is why we practice in a big space. Now slowly pitch backward and stop before you hit us. You hear? Okay, now use your right thumb to roll to your left. Good. Now roll back to the right and stop in the center. Excellent. Now land. What do you say before you land?
Drone landing! Drone landing! Drone landing!
Good job. Who's next? Bravo team, get up here. Okay, what do you say before taking off?
Drone going up! Drone going up! Drone going up!
Clear! That's a problem with the propellers. Next class, you're going to meet Mr. Rob, our technical guy. And we'll learn more about this. It's time to clean up.
Aww!
Goodbye for now.